Hello students, I am Vijayata from Postgraduate Teaching Department of Law, Rashtrasanta Tukroji Maharaj, Nagpur University. In this video, we will be discussing the human right mechanism made by the United Nations. So it starts with United Nations Office of the High Commissioner for Human Rights. Currently, Michelle Bachelet is the 7th Commissioner and holding the office of High Commissioner for Human Rights. This High Commissioner office was established by United Nations General Assembly in December 1993 with the resolution. I will provide the link of the resolution in the description box, so please go through that resolution. This resolution defines the role of United Nations High Commissioner for Human Rights, that is to promote and protect all human rights, to carry out the task assigned to them by the competent bodies of the United Nations and to make the recommendation to them, to empower the research, education, advocacy, activity, and contribute in increasing the awareness and engagement by the international community and the public on human rights issue, to play a very active role in removing the current obstacle and in meeting the challenges to fulfill the realization of all human rights, to engage in the dialogues with the member states government for implementing the human rights, to enhance the international cooperation for promotion and protection of human rights, to rationalize, adapt, strengthen, streamline the United Nations machinery in the field of human rights in improving its efficiency and effectiveness, and also to carry out all supervision of the Center for Human Rights. Therefore, the Human Rights High Commissioner Office works for the promotion and protection of human rights and supports different human rights monitoring mechanism established by the United Nations system, which is established by the United Nations Charter. Coming to what are the monitoring mechanism, first it starts with Human Rights Council. Now first, the Human Rights Council is an intergovernmental body within the United Nations made up of 47 states responsible for the promotion and protection of all human rights around the world. The Council was created by the General Assembly in 2006 by resolution to replace the Human Rights Commission. The Human Rights Council meet in Geneva at least 10 weeks a year, which is composed of 47 elected United Nations member states who serve for an initial period of 3 years and cannot be elected for more than 2 consecutive terms. The main objective of the Human Rights Council is to promote universal respect for human rights and fundamental freedom without any distinction of any kind and in a fair and equal manner, to promote the most vulnerable by responding to human rights and emergencies. This council is charged with monitoring and evaluating conditions of human rights in the country, around the world, and identifying the areas of concern. So this is all about the Human Rights Council. Next is the special procedure. This special procedure of Human Rights Council are independent human rights experts with the mandate to report in advice on the human right from a thematic or country specific perspective. As of October 2020, there are 44 thematic and 11 country mandates. With the help of High Commissioner for Human Rights, special procedure undertakes to visit country and to act on individual cases and concern of a border conduct and to conduct thematic studies, convey expert consultations, contribute to the development of international human rights standards, and advocating or raising the public awareness, providing technical cooperation also. So these are some of the roles which the special procedure play. Now this special procedure committee supposed to report to the Human Rights Council. So they are supposed to report to this Human Rights Council and mandate reports to the General Assembly. Next is the treaty bodies. We are going to see these treaty bodies in our coming slide.